Color LED topography is a technique that projects various colored LED lights on the cornea, and the instrument captures that image of the cornea. And the special algorithm, it looks at the space between these images and it converts that to a topography image. The color LED topography, it takes a measurement instantaneously. It projects it and it captures the image at the same moment, which is similar to Placido disc based instruments. The only difference is that with Placido based disc instruments there is a loss of information around the cornea and at the same radius, and with color LED topography you retain that information. That information is much similar to what the pentagram captures, an instrument that we use often in the clinic, but the measurement of the pentagram takes a lot of time to make, and it's much more prone to artifacts by motion of the patient. So LED color topography appears to be a good match between these techniques, speed and accuracy. We use the Cassini in research that we do currently. I'm very interested in cataract surgery and looking at the right axis to implant a toric intraocular lens. We now do that with the IOL master and the pentagram to determine the right axis and the right magnitude of the cylinder. And we're looking whether we can get a more accurate measurement with the Cassini instrument, so that we could use that in the clinic to get a better measurement and outcome of the patient in cataract surgery. We are also looking at the back surface of the cornea. Now we're only measuring the front surface of the cornea, and we assume that there's a certain relationship with the back surface of the cornea, but that's not the case. And with the Cassini we're now looking also at the back surface of the cornea to see if we can have an even further improved measurement of the corneal cylinder and use that in the clinic for cataract surgery.